Welcome to my new office, which may look familiar because it was indeed my old office. But we're not talking about offices or orifices. Today we're talking about lighting, which isn't the most exciting thing in the world, but it's very essential, especially for a shop, especially for people working on cars, people who like garages, who like to do their own stuff, build their own things. I purposely started this video with this normal shop lighting. We have 5 of these kind of LED things in the ceiling, which came with this unit. They're not the brightest lights in the world. Obviously it gets enough to like illuminate the space, but this being about 1,600 square feet, we really need more light to diffuse around. This space kind of acts as our showroom, so we like to have it really bright, and obviously the HEX lights just look really good. We wanted to make sure this wasn't just like the Instagram lights, but they actually served a purpose and their lighting was actually really good. So what I'm gonna do is show you the difference between our normal shop lighting and these HEX lights, and it really is quite substantial. So I'm gonna put my phone down and record that right now. Ta-da! Here's the difference. Obviously, a little bit brighter directly under the lights, but it is really, really quite bright. So it gives us a perfect space to work on these cars. Every single paint protection film job, tint job, and final wrap job goes down in this shop because of the lighting, because of the cleanliness. Ultimately, the quality of the job is gonna depend a lot on the environment. So with the lighting, it really helps with that. Again, just because I'm over here by the light switch, I'll show you guys the before and after from a different angle. It just is huge. And you wouldn't really notice before you turn the lights on how big the difference is. But again, when you get the lights on, it is very, very noticeable. So let's talk a little bit about this specific set of HEX lights. I believe these are about 700 bucks and they're pretty large. The dimensions, I believe, are 16 feet by 10 feet. And we had 2 sets that we ordered. One set, obviously, you can see the split right here. We just butted them up against each other. So that is one set, and 2 is kind of perfect for this space. Yes, we could have done them over the entire ceiling. Yes, it would have been a pain and a bit more expensive. And honestly, the lighting, it just is fine the way it is. The way you have to install these, and I'll go up here to show you guys, we have individual wire hangers on every single corner piece. So that's the tedious part. We didn't want to do ourselves. That's why we hired it out. It would have taken us an entire weekend of like 4 people. If you are a hardcore DIYer, yes, it's absolutely possible. It's just the leveling is difficult, the installation is difficult, and it's ultimately something that we trusted the professionals to do, and they did an awesome job. If you guys want this exact setup, I will link in the description the exact product we got. It's not an affiliate link. I don't make any money off it, but if you guys want a similar setup, of course, I always try to link the exact products I use and give an honest review. Dun, dun, dun. Nice. I think the brightness just flashing when I turn them on and picking it up in like my camera lens or sensors or however that works will tell you guys that these things are bright. So the brightness is definitely there. I mean, it kind of speaks for itself. And again, I can link the exact ones in the description so you guys can see the lumens and whatever else kind of specs light nerds like to look at before making a purchase, which is totally understandable. I do the same thing. Some certain colors just under the lights look so nice. Like this gray just looks wet. And my car literally is wet because it just rained, but still looks amazing under these lights. And then matte satin finishes, you can see it's really just perfect for anything. So in my honest opinion, I'd say they are 100% worth it. I think it fits a garage vibe really well. I think it's very practical. Our experience has been great with them. Working in the shop, this is our clean shop. So like our tint, vinyl paint protection film, if you guys couldn't see by all the indicating factors here, like the GraphTech, all the window film boxes. These are the lights we trust to do all our work that needs light. So if that tells you anything, I mean, that's what we trust. Who's forklift certified?
I used to be.
None of us are forklift certified. We need a high-low. I thought it said salsa. Well, this is exciting. It's lift day, lift delivery day.
Getting this figured out? Yeah, I got them ordered.
We just got Red Bull TV. I hope I don't get a copyright infringement, but this is hilarious.
Well, we shouldn't, because like we're not paying for it, but they're renting our TV from us.
That's great. Oh, 2-post lift. It's gonna be put right here. So that's pretty darn exciting. We just gotta get Tractor Supply to get their high-low over here. Tractor Supply generously granted us their lift, I guess their high-low, forklift, something. So that's pretty neat. Yo! That's high. Just well done. You know why they call them high-lows, don't you?
No, but I know Dave's been doing this for a minute.
You don't know why they call them high-lows?
They go high and then they go low.
Sure do. Little day in the shop, working on Saturday, finishing up a couple clients' cars this mid-morning afternoon, but wanted to get my car in for a little quick wash. Probably just gonna do like a foam cannon, a little spray off because Michigan roads are dirty. The whole car is actually kind of clean, but the Michigan roads just do this to the rear, makes it kind of gnarly. So a quick spray with the pressure washer foam cannon combo is gonna do us right. To wrap up with the video, how about some nice footage of that? I usually just post my wash stuff on like Instagram Reels because nobody really wants to watch a full wash video. So mostly just throw stuff up on my Instagram Reels, but I love ceramic coated cars. Like dirt just falls off. I'm literally not even going to touch this. Oh yeah, that's insane. I literally didn't even touch this. This has been a touchless wash process thus far today. If you guys are still using waxes on your car, you're living in 1840. Jeez. Now she's clean. Again, didn't even touch it. That's insane. You guys gotta ceramic coat your cars. Luckily, if you guys are in northern Michigan, got a place for you. Brand new look. Hit the interior while I was here. Didn't film any of that because it's boring. Nobody wants to see it. I love this white when it's clean, man. It just looks so nice. If you guys want headlight PPF, let me know. I can ship some to you. I think it looks pretty sick and it's protective. That's gonna wrap up the video, ladies and gents. Thanks so much for watching. If you wanna stick around, if you guys like Audi's content, stuff like that, we've got a ton of them. We actually just got a lift in our shop. Installing some stuff on some more cars here shortly. Won't spoil anything though. Leave a like on the video for the algorithm. Subscribe if you guys are new. Until the next one, we'll see you.